Let's start with the most common scenario, which is a standard tiled pitched roof. This is what most UK homes have, and in this situation the answer is pretty straightforward. The best panel for a pitched roof is almost always the one with the highest efficiency. That's because on a pitched roof the panel sits really close to the tiles, usually about 160 millimeters above the surface of the roof. That means that the back of the panel doesn't receive much reflected light, so things like bifacial generation don't really come into play. What actually matters is how much electricity the panel can generate per square metre. And this is where high efficiency panels like the ICO NeoStar 3 and the Longi S10 really shine. Both use all back contact technology, which means the actual electrical connectors inside the panel are on the back, as opposed to other panel models where the contacts are on the front. Solar panel efficiency is based on how much of the light hitting the surface of the panel is turned into electricity. So by dedicating more of the surface area to the photovoltaic cells themselves, rather than wasting it on electrical connections, the result is that you get more power out of the same bit of roof. So for most homeowners with a standard pitched tiled roof, the best approach is to install the most efficient panel you can get your hands on. In 2026, that's either going to be the ICO NeoStar 3 or the Longi S10, depending on your installer's preference.